How to add LUTs, or lookup tables, are predefined color grading presets used in video editing and color correction. They are mathematical formulas that map one set of colors to another, essentially transforming the colors in your footage to achieve a desired look or style. To add LUTs to your videos in CapCut Video Editor, you first need to download the LUTs. Here's how. Open your browser and search for Flash LUTs. Open the first link you see. You will see an interface with various options. Scroll down until you find the section where you can download LUTs for your videos. Download the LUTs you want. Once you have downloaded the LUTs, follow these steps in CapCut. Open CapCut. Click on the Adjustment tab. Click on the LUTs folder. Click on the Import button. You will see a menu appear. Select your downloaded LUT and double-click on it. Now, drag and drop this LUT onto the timeline. You can see that the LUT is successfully added to your video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.